Review Hub. Type: crawler excavator. Engine brand: KUBOTA. Core components: engine. Power in watts: 30 kW. Rated power: 20 HP. Warranty: 1 year. Drive type: crawler transport. Usage: semi-automatic machiner. Color, function: free customization. By wheel: customizable. Condition: new. Applicable industries: home use. Video outgoing inspection provided. Machinery test report provided. Key selling points: multifunctional. Make: factory direct sales. Year: 2025. Place of origin: China. Product name: Mini Excavator 2-ton. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.